Jake, how are you? Jake, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling ready to kayak for 6 hours.
Ah!
This dream seems to be killing me, but I can't get enough. Once again.
Good morning. Today is a big day because me and my friend Jake will be kayaking from Riverbend State Park in Jupiter to Jonathan Dickinson State Park in Martin County. Online it said about 5 to 6 hours, so we'll see which one's right and we'll see how long it takes, but it's gonna be exciting. So I'm gonna take you along for the adventure, see if we see anything cool. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hopefully we see cool stuff. I'm just waiting for Jake on top of my car. It's beautiful, isn't she? She's a vibe, literally. Pontiac vibe. There he is. Right there. That's him. That's me. Hello, I'm Caleb from the present. I will be filling in some of the gaps that Caleb from the past forgot to mention. So at this point, me and Jake were trying to figure out how to put in at one end of the river, get to the other end, and still have a car. So basically what we figured out is I dropped off my kayak at Riverbend, drove to Jonathan Dickinson, Jake picked me up at Jonathan Dickinson, I left my car there, we drove to Riverbend, put in, kayaked the whole river, at the end my car was there, so then I drove him back, yada yada. This took some logistical genius, but we got it. Back to the story. Okay, me and Jake are in our kayaks. We're getting started. Let's see what we can find.
To whistles and bells, the city's got its stories to tell. Voices lift easy and come out like the ocean swells. Tonight I'm looking far past the bottle in my hand. Sometimes it's all the truth I can stand. I just follow the way the wind, it blows my plans. And I'm tied to your track.
So you may be wondering, why is Jake trying to lift that kayak over a tree? Doesn't that kind of defeat the whole purpose of kayaking? Well, Jake's just a unit. No, but in all seriousness, we were kayaking on something called the Loxahatchee River, and the Loxahatchee River connects to the intercoastal waterway, which connects to the ocean. So a lot of tides that the ocean experiences, the Loxahatchee River experiences as well. Normally when we kayak, it's high tide, so we kind of just paddle over like fallen trees and stuff like that. But we quickly found that during low tide, this isn't that easy. So that's what led to Jake's crazy feat of strength. Back to the story. We got over. We got over. Yay! Yay! Isn't that pretty neat? Wow. Dang. Ah. That's Boston. That was almost comedic. Sheesh. Just came to the first dam. It's right there. Have to do a little spelunking. Jake's massive. Let's go.
I wish that I am your last love. This dream seems to be killing me, but I can't get enough. Once again, the story will find me and I'll turn into words how I should have fallen for a bluebird and leave least you know each spring it'll always return.
A pretty nice spot on the river. Been kayaking. Went about 4 miles so far. Taking a little break. Look at Jake drinking his SpaghettiOs. So he doesn't get you guys like I get you. I got a sandwich.
Oh, you're talking to your audience.
I'm not talking to you. Jake, show him what you got. Jake got the SpaghettiOs.
With no spoon.
No spoon. You know, just slurp them down like a smoothie.
If I had a fingernail.
And that's all. Bone apple tea.
The story will find me and I'll turn into words how I should have fallen for a bluebird. At least you know each spring it'll always return. I'll learn to capture this mixture of shadows and glory, hang them up like pictures on the wall, to be admired for a week.
There's a gator right there. 2 babies.
'Cause I'm tied to your tracks.
Jake, tell me where we're at right now.
We're at John Nelson's cabin. Trapper John. We're at Trapper John Nelson's cabin.
Apparently, based off of this sign, Trapper Nelson was a guy from New Jersey who moved down here, moved into like the middle of nowhere, and trapped animals, and then made something called Trapper's Zoo, where he held different animals and tourists would come down and I guess look at the animals, but he also like lived off the land, so apparently he ate a bunch of fruit, raccoons, gopher tortoises, what else does it say here? Opossum and stuff like that. But yeah, it also says that he actively tried to preserve the river, so that's cool. Gotta love conservation from day one. So pretty cool spot.
Your tracks, love. I wish that I am your last love. This dream seems to be killing me, but I can't get enough. Once again.
What?
Like a ladder. Back in the good old days, people would use these to go up things.
That's impossible. We're getting to the end. Jake's taking pictures of birds. Look at him. If he got a photo, I'll show it. Always was a romantic.
I'm tied to your track.
We have done it. We're at Jonathan Dickinson State Park. It is, what time is it? It's 3:41, so it took us about 4+ hours. Not too bad. It was fun. And that's pretty much it. They're the kayaks. Had blast, saw like 4 alligators. Some baby alligators. Super fun stuff. There's Jake. And that's it. Until next time. Mwah.
Love, I wish that I am your last love. This dream seems to be killing me, but I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. Once again.